I think I might even steal some of these. Let me ask you if this sounds familiar to you. The phone rings and you pick it up and it is your beautiful adult daughter calling to say, "Hey daddy, guess what? I got a new kitty. You want to come over and see it?" And you're like, "Cool, let me go see your kitty." And then you go, get in the car, you go to their house, and then you walk in and they're like, "By the way, I happen to have gotten a new cabinet and a new bed from IKEA and it all needs to be put together. Would you help me with that?" And you're the dutiful dad and you're like, "Sure, I'll help you with that." And then you're like, "Where are the tools?" And she pulls out these garbage little tools. I don't even know where they came from, but it is like hell on earth trying to put these things together with these garbage little tools. If you're that dad, you do it for your son, your daughter. Occasionally your grandmother calls with that same question, right? I know you're living this. I know you've done this. Your grandmother calls and she's like, "Oh, I got something," and you end up hucking it in the house and then putting it together. This is an absolutely amazing answer for that. Actually, it's an amazing answer for you too as well if you don't have a 6 set of tools yet. So this is from VEVOR. Check this out. I'm going to take this out so I don't drop it. I'm going to show you all the stuff it comes with, but the main part of the conversation is this, which is an electric screwdriver, which not only is an electric screwdriver, but it's got this great function in that you can use it like this kind of shape of screwdriver, or you could use it like that, a conventional screwdriver. Now, I will tell you, if you are like me, you're going to find this to be a little unusual because like the buttons on the side, still totally functional. You could also use this finger to do it. For me, it feels a little unusual because I'm looking for this action down here. But for that son, daughter, or grandmother who's never had this will seem totally natural to them. And it comes with 20 torque settings, which is ridiculously cool. Obviously, it comes with the ability to lock it, forward, reverse, depending upon which direction you move your thumb or your finger. So that is super cool. Simple charger to plug it in. Then let me show you all that it comes with. I think I might even steal some of these because it comes with every Phillips head you could possibly imagine ever. A good selection of straight ones, an extender, one of these curved things, which I've never gotten to work really well or effectively for me. You got some nut sets for like small hardware, and then you got some bigger Phillips head right here. And then here we have big old Torx and some small hex head together. Bottom line is there have to be 100 adapters here. There might not be a full 100. There might only be 50. I should probably know exactly what the number is, but this is an enormous set, which will be great starter for anybody who's looking to start out their tool collection. Like I am starting out the tool collection for my daughter, so I don't have to use the crap that she has at her house anymore. And this is what I'm going to use. So if you're looking for something like that, this is an absolutely perfect option. There is actually a button right there on the screen, right down there. You can use that to buy it. If not, there's a link in the description. It really does help out the channel and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'm going to say thank you in advance if you use that. Remember to like, subscribe, and in the comments, give me your horror story. Who tricked you to come over, assemble something, and then gave you crappy tools to do it? I can't be the only one that's happened to. Let me know what happened to you in the comments. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.